Hey guys. Well, this looks like a weird backdrop going on here. But basically, okay, so this is my attic. I can't turn it around yet, but I have some reselling stuff up here and some personal storage stuff. We're gonna try to turn it into more of a reselling space to keep shoes, some clothing items that I haven't got around to listing yet, and things like that. So here's the journey. So this is what it currently looks like. Bunch of shoe boxes. That's personal. We do have some racks up here that I'm not really utilizing, and a shelf up there. So a bunch more shoe boxes. I think most of this is empty boxes, so I'm gonna try to push them over there where I can't stand anyway. Some of these are already clothes that I haven't got around to listing. Maybe I'll open that up and we'll see that together, but I definitely want to try to consolidate this a little bit. I might buy some racks for the shoes to go on. And I believe some boxes could fit on these shelvings right here. We also have more shelves up here, but kind of scares me. I'm really not that tall over there, so I might be able to only go to like this one right here, but that's fine. We do rent this place, so I can't really build anything that I can't like remove, so shelves would be fine. I might do that later though, because I'm trying to move some stuff from my main inventory room up here to clean up more, because that place is a disaster and it's spilling out into my living room. So yeah, that is what we're working on. Let's go over here and kind of see, like those are empty boxes too. Since we're renting, you never know. We're looking for a house, so I never really know when we're gonna move, and I always like empty boxes, like big ones like this. Like I think that's for our ottoman. I mean, I don't think we're gonna shove that back in there, but that'd be really good to pack stuff in. Same with all these boxes. Like that big box right there was from a ThredUp box. Oh yeah, I said that we rent because like they left like this weird, I don't know, old table here, and I'm kind of scared of it, that it's like haunted or something. So I'm not gonna touch that. She's gonna stay right there, or whoever you are, they're gonna stay right there. Yeah, so I don't even know. Oh, holiday decorations. So like I really need to utilize over there. Okay, so I've come to a box that says unlisted, and this has been from almost 2 years ago, and I just never got around to seeing what it is. I listed it, obviously. Looks like it's just, I purchased it brand new or something. Wedding bells. It's a Jenny U. Sloan sequin tulle, black, $290. Just chilling up here, you know. Like, what is wrong with me? Put it up here. Yeah, this is really cute. What the heck? It looks like there might be something else in there. Let's see. What is this? Oh, it's like a Lululemon. Where did I see it? Yeah, a Lululemon shirt. No, tank top. Okay. And then looks like we have MB. I don't know what that is. Okay, MB is in there. I don't know what that stands for, but okay. We have these shoes. Okay, another random box. Oh, actually, I remember packing this one. These were actually my first, like, oh my god, wait, what? That's so cute. Okay, I need to get that listed stat. But these were like my first kids bins finds to take to Once Upon a Child. And this is what they didn't take. Ralph Lauren, at Zara. What do we have here? Carter's, you know. So that's why I just randomly put it in a box when we were moving, because that was like the only Ben's kid stuff that I had. Okay. So I'm gonna send some of that back and definitely list this Elmo and Friends online. That is super cute. I believe I stumbled upon a ThredUp box that they sent me. I don't know, this is, looks like it's like a 50-pound box. And it ended up here. Actually, wait a minute. No. I had, oh my god.
Oh my god!
I had this freaking skirt listed, and somehow it ended up in here. Like, I don't know what this box was. Like, it said unlisted. It said unlisted, but it was listed, and I had to cancel the sale. Is this where all of my random I cannot find has gone? Probably. What's this? A new attack Zaya? Oh my goodness. I remember they did send me that. They sent me that in a ThredUp box, but somehow it ended, I don't know. Okay, so I need to go through that and see what is listed still. I hope not much after 2 years, but honestly, most of it will probably be sent back to ThredUp. Along with, right here. See, yeah, I have not opened this. Hang on. Okay, another box of unlisted. Oh! I remember this stuff. I actually had bought it on Poshmark to resell. This cute Coach bag. And I was thinking about buying another one of these Lululemon belt bags, and I have not one, but two, and one's actually new, and it's like the Sherpa feeling, and it comes with a matching scarf. And oh yeah, the Coach bag has a mini version. What else is in here? Let me see. Oh, you know, just some Reformation jeans, just chilling. What else we got here? Fawn design. I don't know what that is. I think it's maybe Anthropology or something. It goes with this, I guess. And a couple of Reformation tops. Oh, and a 9 Bing, if that's how you say it. I don't know. What is this? Oh, yeah, there we go. Fawn design for Anthropology. Nice. Just chilling up in here for a couple years, you know. That's just how I roll, apparently. But now I see this. I'm going to bring it downstairs. None of this is going to ThredUp. I'm going to list this on my own. Let's see what else we get. And I just opened this Goodwill bag. And I remember I got these from the bins. Oh, there's a Starbucks gift card. Yeah, the thing's off, so I think I used it. I'm going to check that out, though. Yeah, it's like a 3-piece set. It's like really cute of a map, but it does have some wear, so maybe I'll post that. Oh, And it looks like I broke it from it being up here, or I don't know, maybe I bought it like that, who knows. But maybe I'll post it on Facebook Marketplace and see if they could get going a little faster. All right, this box says unlisted jeans. I just pulled the tape, and I think what this is I did a Goodwill jeans box, and I'm assuming I didn't really like much in there. Otherwise, I think I would have listed it. But then again, you know, from other parts of the video, there's some really good stuff up here that I totally forgot about. But as I'm looking through kind of quickly, I'm seeing just a lot of like Levi's and like that one's Terra and Sky, like really not great reselling brands. So I probably will send that off to ThredUp with these other various boxes that I find. Speaking of, there's another one right next to me. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 4 more. Okay, this says unlisted Goodwill. So I don't know, another ThredUp mystery box, I guess. And yeah, they're like weird, like not resellable brands. Honestly, like, what is this? Oh, I say that as I pull out a Diane von Furstenberg dress. Okay, this one has like, that looks like a Plato's Closet tag on it, and it's just Eddie Bauer whole top. But yeah, so like these are mostly just like brands. Maggie London. It's 100% silk though, so not horrible. I think I will probably send it to ThredUp. Obviously, I can't send this men's stuff, so it's gonna go to the Goodwill. I honestly don't even know what I have invested into it anymore. I put these up here when I wasn't that great at bookkeeping, you know. Now I think I got it together. So that's a 2-piece set. Okay, nothing really too exciting in here. I don't know. What is this eye looking at me? What is this? Oh, should have been a tongue. Should have been that one. Then I would have known what it was from the beginning. But it's just on like a generic tag. So, you know, send it off to ThredUp. Put it with the ThredUp pile. There's going to be so many bags to ThredUp, I swear. I mean, whoa, that video's looking weird. Where's that light coming from? I don't know. Probably that haunted thing in the corner that I covered. Okay, so speaking of things in my attic, bad buys. Boutique by the box. I used to buy so many of these boxes because I thought I didn't have time to go sourcing and stuff like that because of my job, but I just made time for that because, okay, I bought this probably 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago, I don't know. This box is still is still freaking full. I maybe sold 3, 4 things out of it. So I don't know what this box costs anymore. I'd have to look it up, but probably $200 just sitting here. And I definitely didn't make that from those 4 sales. So unfortunately, I will probably bite the bullet and it'll go to ThredUp. All of this, I mean, I probably priced it too high, but no one's even liking it or sending offers or anything. But yeah, bye-bye. Okay, another box labeled unlisted. Okay, I don't know what this is. Is this... Okay, just a Nula tag Prana chilling on top. I'm thinking this looks very ThredUp-y. Let me look at the label. What? No, Gulfstream Goodwill Industries. Okay, so this is another Goodwill box. Why did I not list this top or dress, whatever this is? Whew! I'm really annoyed at myself looking through all this. Drew's Anthropology sometimes. I swear, I do so much better now, guys. Here's this Levi's. This is all part of the death pile, you know? Like, we all speak about that. I decided to turn around so I can talk to you guys and actually look you in the eye. The death pile, God, this light. There we go. The death pile is real. I know us resellers, we kind of have a problem with buying stuff. And look where it ends me. Ah. But the death pile is real. I'm about, not even about, I am right now. I'm getting rid of most of my death pile. Not all of it. No. Not all of it, but most of it is being sent to ThredUp right now. And it's mostly stuff that I wasn't excited about listing. It probably didn't have good resale value to begin with, but it was in my earlier days. About 3 years ago, I started almost 6 years ago in January of 2026. Will be 6 years. So, you know, that was still the early stages. And honestly, it was better back then, where you could sell Nike, Adidas, Zara, you know, things like that really quickly for good money, you know, but that's not what I'm seeing right now. And that's not what my business model is really right now, especially at those thrift store prices that I was buying them at, because then I had to price them so high. I got them for like $6.99 at Goodwill and Salvation Army, and I have this Goodwill box. I don't even know how much per item it is at this point. I'm sure I have it written down somewhere, but guys, sometimes it's just time to let go of your death pile. Take the advice from me. All right, this is the middle state of it. All the boxes are over there. I got 3 bags for ThredUp and another box because I just didn't feel like putting in another bag. Personal stuff over there. Shoes are stacked right here for now. And I have some up here, but I'm waiting to get a shoe stand. Probably gonna see how that one is and then get another one. This right here is a box that I found of stuff that I'm gonna actually list. Not too bad, considering.